How to add new payment method in Temu. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add these payment methods. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Tap on your profile icon. Now here on the right top, you can see the settings icon that is really small. Tap on the settings icon. Here, you'll be able to see the option called your payment methods. Tap on your payment methods. So it will take some time. Now, as you can see here, you'll be able to add your credit and debit cards. Simply tap on add a credit or debit card. Here, you must enter the card number, expiration date and CVV. So enter all your details, and here on the bottom you can select add your card. So these are the options that are available in Temu. Later, you can even connect it with people and directly pay it. So if you go back, it will be done and saved. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.